In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear CapCut storage on your PC quickly and safely so you can free up space, reduce clutter, and keep the app running smoother. If CapCut is taking up too much storage on your computer, the biggest space hog is usually cached files and old drafts. And the good news is, you can clean that up in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the app to fully load. Once you're on the main screen, look for the settings option and click it. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of the app preferences and storage related tools, so we need to head there first. After the settings window opens, click the draft tab. Inside the draft section, you'll usually see information related to cached data and stored project files. This is the area that can build up over time, especially if you edit a lot of videos or preview large media files. Now look for the trash icon next to the cache size and click it. This is the main action that clears out CapCut's cached files. When you do this, CapCut may take a moment to process everything, so just wait while it removes the stored cache from your system. Depending on how much data has built up, this may take a few seconds or a little longer, so don't close the app while it's working. Once the cached files are removed, you should already see some storage space freed up on your PC. But if you want to clear even more space, there's one more important step. Go back to the CapCut home screen and look through any unused projects or drafts you no longer need. If you have old projects sitting there that you're finished with, delete them so they don't continue taking up space. This is especially useful if you've created lots of test edits, unfinished drafts, or duplicate projects over time. Removing unused projects can help keep your workspace organized and make it much easier to find the videos you actually still want to work on. And that's it. You've now cleared CapCut storage by removing cached files and deleting unused projects. This is a simple routine you can repeat whenever CapCut starts getting too heavy on storage. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial.